Hello guys, it's Maestro here. Welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you are going to withdraw your asset from your Deriv account to your crypto exchange account. So your crypto exchange account can be Bybit, KuCoin, or even Binance. Okay, so whichever one that you wish to transfer your asset from Deriv to is fine. Before we start, I would like you to know that you can only use cryptocurrency to withdraw if you use cryptocurrency to make your deposit. So in case you don't know how to make your deposit using cryptocurrency, I've already made a video about it. And if you do not have a Deriv account, you can use my link in this video comment section and make your registration and a chance to get a bonus for yourself. Okay. Also guys, remember that cryptocurrency is the easiest way to make both your deposit and your withdrawal. So in case you are new to Deriv, please try and be using cryptocurrency to make your deposit and your withdrawal as well. With that being said, let's quickly go ahead and get started. So I'll be exchanging my USDT to LUTC since I'm using cryptocurrency to make my withdrawal. So first, I'll come over right here. You can see this portfolio and click on it. Now I'm going to select US dollars. Okay. Then I'm going to click on this transfer. So once I do that, then I'm going to transfer my USD to LUTC. So I'll be clicking on this drop down arrow right here, and I'll be selecting my LUTC, that is my Litecoin. So I'll be withdrawing or I'll be transferring all, and then I'm going to click on this confirm. So all my US dollar have now been exchanged to Litecoin. Okay, so I'll go to my portfolio right now. Remember, the reason why I'm using Litecoin is because it's the cheapest and the easiest means for withdrawal and deposit. It's very cheap, okay, for the gas fee. So for me to withdraw, I'll click on withdraw right here, and then I'll select this crypto. Okay, so I will choose crypto. Then you can see this Litecoin right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on Litecoin. Please be using Litecoin because of it is always cheaper. Now Deriv is going to send you a code to your Gmail that you use to open your Deriv account. Okay, so go ahead and then click on that email that I sent to you, copy the code, and then come back to verify the email. All right, so once you do that, just come back to Deriv and then paste what you copied from Deriv. All right, so after that, they are going to process it and bring you right here. Now you're going to go to your crypto exchange account. So for me, I'm using Bybit. So if you're using Bitgate, the same thing, just go ahead and copy your Litecoin wallet address, and that's what you're going to copy, your Litecoin wallet address. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on this and then copy my LUTC wallet address right now, and then go back to my withdrawal address in Deriv and then paste it. So for this video, I'll be withdrawing all my assets. So I'll be clicking 100%. Okay, now I'll go ahead and click on withdraw. All right, so once I click on withdraw right now, that is after checking to make sure that everything is intact. Please ensure that you double check. Okay, I'll hit on this withdraw, and then the LUTC has been withdrawn. So on the norms, it usually takes 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes for the asset to arrive. Because of this new development, new platform in Deriv, everything is now faster. Unlike before, it would take 24 hours. Okay, so as you can see, my assets have arrived successfully in my Deriv account. So it took me 30 minutes. Okay, so if you go to my notification right here, you're going to see where the transaction took place. You can see it, deposit confirmed, and when the confirmation is in progress. Okay, so these are the processes that it takes for me to get my asset in my Deriv in my Bybit account. Okay, so guys, to deposit and to withdraw is very easy. Like I said, if you have not watched my video on how you're going to make your deposit to Deriv account, you can click the link in this video comment section and watch it. Okay, and if you don't have a Deriv account, kindly use my referral link to get a bonus for yourself. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.